Welcome back to Codecraft. I'm Harman Segal, and in today's video, we're diving into understanding classes and object references in object-oriented programming. This is a crucial topic for mastering Java and object-oriented programming. Let's get started. Introduction to OOP. In this presentation, we will explore object-oriented programming, OOP, focusing on classes and object references. Understanding these concepts is crucial for developing efficient and organized code. We will cover definitions, examples, and best practices to enhance your programming skills. What is a class? A class is a blueprint for creating objects in OOP. It defines the properties and behaviors that the objects created from it will have. By encapsulating data and functions, classes promote modularity and reusability in programming. What are objects? Objects are instances of classes that hold specific data and can perform actions defined by their class. Each object can have unique properties while sharing the same methods. This allows for encapsulation and promotes code reusability. Object references explained. An object reference is a variable that holds the memory address of an object. It allows multiple references to point to the same object, enabling shared access and efficient memory usage. Understanding references is key to avoiding unintended modifications. Creating a class. To create a class, we define its attributes and methods using a specific syntax. In languages like Python, we use the class keyword followed by the class name. This structure helps organize code and promotes best practices in OOP. Using object references. When we create an object, we can assign it to a variable, which acts as an object reference. This reference can be used to access the object's attributes and methods. Understanding how to manage these references is essential for effective OOP. Common pitfalls. When working with classes and object references, developers may encounter issues like unintentional sharing of mutable objects. It's important to understand how references work to prevent bugs and maintain data integrity throughout your application. Conclusion. In summary, understanding classes and object references is fundamental to mastering object-oriented programming. By using these concepts effectively, you can create more organized, efficient, and maintainable code. Continue to practice and apply these principles in your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this video on Java classes and object references helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Codecraft. Your support means a lot. Got questions? Leave a comment below.